Hey friends, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm sharing two very simple and easy DIYs for the Keep It Simple Sunday Challenge hosted by Melissa from Melissa Makes It DIY. You can check out her channel, I mentioned in the description box. She's an amazing creator and I'm sure you're going to like all her DIYs. This is my second collab with Melissa and I'm so happy I got a chance to co-host with her, and I can't wait to share my DIYs with you all. Also check out the playlist that is mentioned in the description box for other creators participating in today's challenge. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And let's begin. For the first DIY, I'm decorating a simple cushion cover using just two things. So first of all, I took a book and kept it inside the pillowcase so that whatever I do on the top, the glue and everything does not seep to the other side of the cushion cover. And then I started with these little mirror pieces that I got from Lazada, the online site here. You can find these on Amazon too. And the second thing that I used is fabric glue. You can get mirror pieces in various shapes and sizes, and according to your design you can choose whatever shape you like. My design is very simple. I'm just writing the word home using these mirror pieces and fabric glue. These mirrors are already having a sticker at the back, but I am still using fabric glue for some extra protection so that I can wash the cushion cover later. And these mirrors won't come off again if I wash them several times also after the glue dries. And this is, I think, the best way to glue mirror, rhinestones or lace, whatever, on any of the fabric piece. I'm using very little glue and gluing the mirror to the cushion cover. I tried to keep the letters equidistant from each other so that the design looks proportionate. So for that I used a small scale so that I have a better idea wherein to start the design from the top of the pillow and from the bottom of the pillow also. So it is the design is centered in between. I kept gluing the mirror pieces to form the letters H, O, M and E, and according to the design I had to make a little more adjustments to the size of the mirror. Like the letter E and the letter M, I had to trim off little pieces of mirror so that I could fit them in between, and this is how everything is coming out. After gluing only the letters H and O, the cushion cover looked really nice. Earlier it was only just white plain cushion cover, and now it had a little bit of glam and bling to it. So I was really liking it and I couldn't wait to finish this as soon as possible. You can make this on any color of cushion cover, like red or pink or any other color. I think white also looks really great with the mirror shining on top. And also you can make them in any shape, like a heart shape or a winter snowflake shape or any shape. I think the mirrors are going to make everything really pretty. Finally, to cover the last piece of hem, I just glued a single mirror piece and the home design looks complete. This is how it looks. I think it looks amazing, very cute, very glam and bling, and it makes my white cushion cover so adorable. I styled my cushion along with the IKEA Hearts cushion, and this is how it looks. It looks perfect for Valentine's Day decor, and also I think because of the white color, it can be used all the year round, because my decoration, my interiors of the house is black and white, so I can use this for the entire year. For the next DIY, I am making a Pom Pom and Hearts Garland. You can make this in any color, any neutral color or white color according to the interiors of your house, and then use it all the year round too. I'm using a bright red yarn to make pom-poms. I'm not using any tool or pom-pom maker, just my 3 fingers to wrap the yarn between the fingers, and then tied it with a piece of yarn. I tied the yarn really tight so that the pom-pom doesn't lose its shape, and then I snipped both the sides, both the parts of the pom-pom, and then I gave a nice haircut. I snipped all the parts and then I gave a nice haircut to the pom-pom. Later, I took an old toothbrush and I fluffed up the pom-pom like so for a more fuller look. I made 10 pom-poms for the garland and then tied them to the large piece of yarn to make it into a garland. You can use 2 ways to tie the pom-pom to the yarn. First, you can just tie a loop around the pom-pom, around the center of the pom-pom, and just make a tight knot. Or the second way is just take a big needle and run it through the thread. I also took a pink glitter foam sheet and cut out small hearts. Later, I glued the hearts to wooden clips so that I can hang them to the pom-pom garland, and then it is easier. I don't need to glue anything. I just need to glue the little hearts onto the wooden clip, and then I can just clip on these on the yarn. Then I took some wooden beads and tried to thread them into the garland, like two wooden beads and then one pom pom, and in between the pom poms I pinned the little hearts clip, and in the same way I completed the entire garland. Once all the pom-poms and beads were fixed into the garland, then I took the wooden clips and just clipped them onto the garland in between the two beads. Finally, I clipped the pins to the thread at equal distance and my pom-pom and hearts garland is complete. And this is how my pom-pom and heart garland turned out. It looks very cute and I'm planning to make one in white, and I think that will suit my interiors too. Let me know in the comments below which out of the two was your favorite, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Till then, happy crafting and take good care of yourself. Bye.